Hi, my name's Tom. I got something special for you today. This looks like a typical briefcase. It's got typical handles here for carrying stuff. It's a little bit thick, so you can have a lot of different documents in there. It does have a shoulder strap, which can come on and off. Typical piece of luggage, right? Nope, there's something extra to this one. This is actually a lockable, certified, fireproof box. It's made with 2 millimeters of certified fireproof layers. It has fiberglass in here. It has a hard shell on it. It's not a solid hard shell. It's kind of a pressable hard shell, but it actually works really, really well as a piece of luggage, as something you want to go ahead and use in your home. I'm going to show you all about it. I'm going to show you all the pockets, all the cool features, but this is one of those things where you can have in your house, ready to go, locked, so you have dust proof. You don't have anything here messing up your documents. I want you to see the zipper line here. It is super tight. It's not going to allow stuff in. Again, locked with a 3-digit lock that you can set. Use a little pen to press that in. You set your lock, pop it back out, and then you have your lock set. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And what it does is it releases the zipper latches. You can see those things are all solid metal, and those zipper latches get locked into there. Let me see if I can do this here. Where's my button? There we go. Maybe you can see the little levers in there going back and forth. There you go. That actually keeps the zippers locked in there. But I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and unzip it. And now we can go ahead and look inside of this case. Okay, now that I've got it unzipped, I'm going to open it up, and you can see this thing is actually very, very spacious. It's got a whole bunch of different pockets on it. I'm going to kind of hold it up this way with my leg here, just so you can kind of see. There is a netted pocket right here where you can keep important documents you want to grab real quick. There are multiple pockets in there. Little piece of Velcro. This opens down. Has more pockets in here for documents, books. I just have some old piano books in here and some old piano manuals in here. It does come with a bunch of stickers as well as cardboard letter codes to go ahead and put into the filing system. There's a filing system in here as well. And you can see it's expandable. I have lots of space. You know, I've only put a couple things in here. I've put a whole lot more in. I'm going to push that up, use the Velcro to lock it down. Next up, you have this pocket right here, which is held in with Velcro, and watch this. I can take that out, and it's actually a filing system. Those are all your tabs in there. That's where you can go ahead and put your different stickers or your letters or whatever you need. I've got a whole bunch of I just put music in here for now, but I'm going to go ahead and put my household bills in here. I'm going to put my lease. I'm going to put all sorts of documents, legal documents into this thing. I can take it out. I can go ahead and put things in. I can bring it back using that little Velcro bit. I can just kind of stick it back in there just like that, and it stays secure. I'm going to pull that up. I have even more in here. I have another window or another little flap here. This flap actually has on one side, I'll lift it up here. On one side it has a business card holder. I've got pens, I've got places for pencils, lots of different stuff on that. And then when I flip it around, I can go ahead and have a netted window for a netted pocket for things like keys, cords, all sorts of extra stuff I might have. I've got a lot of storage space in this thing. And last but not least, I got a laptop in there. You notice my laptop is just dwarfed in there. It's just really, really small. I can put a lot of stuff. I can put 2 or 3 laptops in here. I can put books. I can put ledger books. I can put all sorts of cords. Anything I want in here. It will all be nice and safe, because again, I can zip it up. The zipper is nice and smooth. I'm going to show you right here. There we go, nice and tight zipper. I zip it the whole thing back up. I put them back right to the front, and then I go ahead and I lock it just like that. And again, all you do is you take these little things and you just kind of push them in. Let me get them just lined up just right here. There we go. Oops, one's on this side. There we go. One's on that side. One's on this side, and there we go. Now it's locked. Now I cannot unzip it. I cannot do anything because the whole thing's locked in. I can go ahead and just twist my combination, and that's it. Totally locked, totally secure in a fireproof box. Again, when I want to go, I got an issue, I got an emergency, I just grab it and go. Before I got this, I was using this little box here, this plastic box. It's a nice little filing cabinet. It's great. It's got some stuff in there. The handle's kind of chintzy and plastic. It has no shoulder strap. It looks kind of weird carrying around. It is very bulky, and it's not fireproof by any means. I could probably drop this thing and it would fall apart. Not this one. This is one tough case. Again, it is fireproof. It has a lock. The other one didn't have a lock. I'm going to put all my digital stuff in here. I'm going to put all my homework in here. I'm going to put all of my house stuff, all that important documents, all those important important digital things. I'm going to get a couple extra hard drives, have all my documents, my photos, my family photos, everything. I'm going to put it in here, I'm going to lock it, and I'm going to leave it right in my closet so if there's any issues, I can grab it and go. If heaven help us, there's actually a fire in here, these are protected. It will go ahead and protect the documents. Okay, no dust, no nothing's going to interfere, nice and easy to go. And again, it's portable. That's what makes this thing really, really, really nice, because it's like having a little mini safe, but it's portable. I like that a lot. I'm going to go ahead and keep all my stuff in here. Right now I've got tons of space. I used it a little bit. I kind of kept it at my desk for a little bit. I played around with it. I put some things in and out. I really enjoy it. I like the locking mechanism. It's real easy to set the combination of your own. You have 3 digits to choose from, so that's something, you know, so many different combinations. It's really easy to use. I have used it. I enjoy it. I think it's comfortable. The strap is adjustable and you can take it off if you don't want it. So overall, this is a really, really nice fireproof case and it is highly recommended. Just so you know, I sent this case to tell you all about it, and it's exactly what I've done. I do find that it's actually pretty helpful. It's useful. It's comfortable over the shoulder. I thought about actually even bringing it to like just as luggage for an airport. I really don't need anything this strong for that. But overall, it is a really, really nice, pretty case. It looks good. It works well. It is fireproof. It does have that durability, and it's just easy to pick up and go. It works as a small filing system, as a small safe that you can just grab and go, and I really do like it.